If you've ever eaten Wingstop fries and immediately thought, I need to know how to make these at home, you are in exactly the right place. This copycat recipe nails that signature sweet and salty seasoning. And the best part? It's incredibly easy. We are going to use frozen natural cut skin on fries, so there's zero potato prep. Heat your oil to 350 degrees. Mix your seasoning. That's table salt, white sugar, cane sugar, freshly ground black pepper, and garlic powder. 5 simple ingredients for that amazing seasoning blend. Fry your fries in batches. They'll take about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're golden brown. Drain on a wire rack and then season them immediately. You can serve these alongside with wings, burgers, anything that you love. The full printable recipe is available right here on copycat.com. And don't forget to check out our other recipes.